Welcome to the PROFHILO G.L.O.W Experience. I'm George Kyprios and I'm the founder of Dermo Cosmetica. And I want to start by saying thank you for the incredible care that you give to your patients.
And I'm Dr. David Kosenko. I'm the head of clinical and medical training at Dermo Cosmetica. And over the next few months, we're going to allow you to experience the PROFHILO G.L.O.W.
You look after everyone else. Let us look after you. PROFHILO is best understood when experienced.
And that's why we're giving you the opportunity to choose 4 of your staff members to become education ambassadors so they can experience PROFHILO for themselves. We're investing in over 500 clinics across Australia and New Zealand so that you can experience PROFHILO for yourselves. Because at Dermo Cosmetica, we believe you're best placed to describe it to others when you know what it feels like yourself.
This is a first of its kind initiative. It's an industry first. It's designed to empower you with all the support that you need. It will include educational series webinars, roundtable discussions, and ongoing support.
And in return, all we ask is that you nominate 4 ambassadors, take before and after photos, and provide feedback after 12 weeks. This is a collaborative program where your insights are invaluable.
With over 40 years experience, one thing that I've learnt is that you have to continuously change. We're always looking for innovation in this ever so fast transforming market. PROFHILO is unique, it's different, it's ahead of its time. It's changed the whole environment on how people are treating skin laxity and skin quality.
PROFHILO is unique and it is the future of regenerative aesthetic medicine. PROFHILO will increase your tissue hydration. It will help with tissue elasticity. And better still, it's backed by over 80 clinical studies. And the results you see in the clinic are going to be the same as are highlighted in these studies.
We'll equip you with a complete kit. It'll include skin diagnostic tools, consultation guides, social media assets, and also in-clinic resources. We are going to make it seamless for you to integrate PROFHILO into your clinic.
And the process is designed to be simple, and we're with you every step of the way. From receiving your education toolkit to attending the webinars. We want the conversation to keep going between ourselves, yourselves, your education ambassadors, and your patients.
The educational series includes live webinars and roundtables with experts like Dr. David Kosenko and industry experts. We'll cover a number of different topics, all about science and skin. And we'll cover how PROFHILO fits into the overall treatment journey of a patient and how you can improve skin quality.
Later on, Dermo Cosmetica will reach out to you about the possibility of participating in roundtable discussions. These will be small group sessions where you'll be able to provide feedback and your insights into your PROFHILO G.L.O.W experience.
So, Dermo Cosmetica will be providing you diagnostic tools that combine the Global Aesthetic Improvement Scale, the Wrinkle Severity Rating Scale, and many others. We want you to capture those measurable results. This is what we want to capture, the magic that PROFHILO does to skin. And we're going to do that in set intervals. And just in case you forget, we will remind you with an email and maybe a telephone call as well.
By joining this program, you'll get access to some beautiful digital resources, including the brand new Flipbook. This is designed to help the consultation process and be more engaging for your patients. We can't wait to see your results, hear your feedback, and share it with the wider PROFHILO community.
It all starts with you. Welcome to the PROFHILO G.L.O.W Experience.